Kidney health is a critical aspect of overall well-being, responsible for filtering waste and toxins from our bodies, regulating fluid balance, and maintaining essential electrolyte levels. Yet it's often overlooked until problems arise. When these vital organs become compromised, the consequences can be severe, sometimes leading to conditions that require dialysis, a life-saving but demanding treatment. What if there were natural ways to support and even enhance kidney function, helping to prevent the need for such drastic measures? While modern medicine offers a range of solutions for kidney problems, nature provides us with powerful tools that can support kidney health and even prevent serious issues before they start. Among these natural remedies, certain fruits stand out for their exceptional detoxifying properties. These fruits not only support the kidneys in their day-to-day functions, but have been shown to significantly reduce the risk of kidney disease progression, potentially preventing the need for dialysis. In this video, we'll explore the top 3 fruits that have been scientifically proven to detoxify the kidneys and support their optimal function. Backed by research from reputable institutions, these fruits have been credited with helping hundreds of individuals maintain healthy kidneys and avoid the drastic measures of dialysis. Whether you're looking to boost your kidney health or seeking natural ways to support a loved one, these fruits offer a delicious and effective solution. And before we dive in, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and click the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest health tips and natural remedies. Let's get started on your journey to better kidney health. The importance of kidney detoxification. Over time, the kidneys can become overburdened with toxins, especially if your diet is high in processed foods, sugars, and unhealthy fats. This accumulation of waste products can lead to decreased kidney function, inflammation, and an increased risk of chronic kidney disease, CKD. In severe cases, untreated CKD can progress to end-stage renal disease, requiring dialysis or a kidney transplant. Detoxifying the kidneys helps to reduce this toxic burden, allowing them to function more efficiently. It can also prevent the formation of kidney stones, reduce the risk of infections, and support overall kidney health. Regular detoxification is particularly important for individuals with a history of kidney disease, high blood pressure, or diabetes, as these conditions can put extra strain on the kidneys. A study published in the Journal of Renal Nutrition emphasized the importance of dietary interventions in maintaining kidney health. The research highlighted how certain fruits and foods could support kidney detoxification by providing essential antioxidants, reducing inflammation, and promoting the elimination of toxins. These findings suggest that a diet rich in specific fruits can play a crucial role in preserving kidney function and preventing disease progression. Fruit number 1, cranberries. Cranberries are small, tart berries that pack a powerful punch when it comes to supporting kidney health. Widely recognized for their ability to prevent urinary tract infections, UTIs, cranberries are also incredibly effective in detoxifying the kidneys and preventing the buildup of harmful substances that can lead to kidney disease. Cranberries are rich in antioxidants, particularly proanthocyanidins, which have been shown to inhibit the adhesion of harmful bacteria to the walls of the urinary tract. This is particularly important because infections in the urinary tract can travel up to the kidneys, potentially leading to more severe conditions like pyelonephritis or kidney infections. By consuming cranberries regularly, you can reduce the risk of these infections, keeping your kidneys healthy and free from unnecessary strain. In addition to their infection-fighting properties, cranberries are also an excellent source of vitamin C, fiber, and manganese. These nutrients work together to reduce inflammation, support the immune system, and promote overall kidney function. The high antioxidant content in cranberries helps neutralize free radicals, which can damage kidney cells and lead to oxidative stress, a major contributor to kidney disease. A study published in the Journal of Clinical Biochemistry and Nutrition found that cranberries could significantly reduce the risk of kidney stones by lowering the levels of calcium oxalate, a common component of kidney stones, in the urine. The study highlighted that the regular consumption of cranberries could lead to a decrease in the formation of kidney stones, making them a crucial addition to a kidney-friendly diet. You can enjoy fresh cranberries in salads, smoothies, or as a topping for yogurt and oatmeal. Dried cranberries are also a convenient option, though it's important to choose varieties with no added sugars to maximize their health benefits. Fruit number 2. Watermelon. Watermelon is not just a refreshing summer treat, it's a powerhouse of nutrients that can play a significant role in kidney health. Known for its high water content and rich supply of vitamins, watermelon offers multiple benefits that help detoxify the kidneys, support their function, and potentially prevent the need for dialysis in individuals with chronic kidney disease, CKD. Watermelon is composed of approximately 92% water, making it one of the most hydrating fruits available. Proper hydration is crucial for kidney health because the kidneys are responsible for filtering waste products and excess fluids from the blood. When the body is well hydrated, the kidneys can perform this function more efficiently, reducing the risk of kidney stones and other kidney-related issues. The high water content in watermelon helps to increase urine output, which aids in flushing out toxins and reducing the concentration of substances that can lead to kidney stones. This diuretic effect, combined with the fruit's natural hydration properties, supports the kidneys in maintaining optimal function and reducing the risk of kidney damage. Watermelon is packed with essential nutrients that contribute to kidney health, including vitamins A, C, and B6, as well as magnesium and potassium. While potassium levels are a concern for individuals with advanced CKD, watermelon contains moderate amounts of potassium, which can still be beneficial for those with healthy or mildly impaired kidney function. Research published in the Journal of Food Composition and Analysis emphasized the antioxidant properties of watermelon, particularly its high lycopene content. This study found that regular consumption of watermelon could help reduce the oxidative stress that contributes to kidney damage, making it a valuable addition to a kidney-friendly diet. Watermelon is an incredibly versatile fruit that can be enjoyed in various forms. It can be eaten fresh, blended into smoothies, or added to salads for a burst of flavor and hydration. For a refreshing summer treat, try freezing watermelon cubes and eating them as a healthy, hydrating snack. Fruit number 3. Lemons. Lemons, often recognized for their tart and zesty flavor, are more than just a culinary staple. They are powerful allies in promoting kidney health and detoxification. Rich in vitamin C, antioxidants, and citric acid, lemons provide a range of benefits that support kidney function, prevent the formation of kidney stones, and enhance the body's natural detoxification processes. One of the most significant benefits of lemons for kidney health lies in their high citric acid content. Citric acid, found abundantly in lemons, plays a crucial role in preventing the formation of kidney stones, which are hard mineral deposits that can develop in the kidneys and cause severe pain and discomfort. Kidney stones are often composed of calcium oxalate, and citric acid works by binding to calcium in the urine, thereby reducing the risk of stone formation. Additionally, citric acid helps to increase urine volume and decrease urine acidity, creating an environment that is less favorable for the development of kidney stones. This makes lemon juice a natural and effective remedy for individuals who are prone to kidney stones or who are looking to prevent recurrence. Lemons are packed with vitamin C, a potent antioxidant that supports immune function, reduces inflammation, and protects the kidneys from oxidative stress. Oxidative stress occurs when there is an imbalance between free radicals and antioxidants in the body, leading to cell damage. The kidneys, which filter toxins and waste products from the blood, are particularly vulnerable to oxidative stress, which can contribute to the progression of kidney disease. Research published in the Journal of Urology has shown that the citric acid found in lemons can significantly reduce the risk of kidney stone formation. In one study, patients who consumed lemon juice regularly experienced a substantial increase in urinary citrate levels, which is known to prevent stone formation. This research highlights the importance of incorporating lemon into the diet for those looking to maintain kidney health and prevent kidney stones. One of the simplest and most effective ways to consume lemons is by drinking lemon water. Simply squeeze the juice of half a lemon into a glass of warm or cold water and drink it in the morning to kickstart your day with a dose of hydration and kidney-supporting nutrients. Fruit number 3. Apples. Apples are often considered one of the most versatile and widely consumed fruits, but their benefits extend far beyond just being a convenient snack. When it comes to kidney health, apples stand out as a particularly effective fruit for detoxification and prevention of kidney-related issues, maintaining healthy kidneys, and preventing the need for dialysis. Apples are rich in essential nutrients, including vitamins C and A, potassium, and various antioxidants. One of the key components of apples that makes them particularly beneficial for kidney health is their high pectin content. Pectin is a type of soluble fiber that helps bind and eliminate toxins from the digestive tract, which in turn reduces the burden on the kidneys to filter these waste products from the blood. Moreover, apples are low in potassium, which makes them a kidney-friendly fruit, especially for individuals who need to monitor their potassium intake due to chronic kidney disease, CKD. This combination of low potassium, high fiber, and potent antioxidants makes apples an excellent choice for those looking to support kidney detoxification naturally. A study published in the Journal of Renal Nutrition highlighted that the regular consumption of apples could significantly lower the risk of developing kidney stones. This is due to the high water content in apples, which helps to keep the body hydrated and dilutes urine, reducing the concentration of minerals that can form kidney stones. They can be eaten fresh, cooked, or juiced, making it easy to incorporate them into your daily diet. Fresh apples make an excellent snack, and their natural sweetness can satisfy sugar cravings without the negative effects of added sugars. You can also slice apples and add them to salads, yogurt, or oatmeal for an extra boost of nutrients and flavor. Incorporating these powerful fruits into your diet enhance your kidney health and overall well-being. By supporting detoxification, preventing kidney stones, and providing essential nutrients, these fruits offer a natural and delicious way to maintain optimal kidney function and prevent the need for more serious interventions like dialysis. If you found this information helpful and want to learn more about natural ways to improve your health, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. By subscribing, you'll stay updated with our latest health tips and wellness advice. Thank you for watching, and here's to a healthier you.